Hello? Hello, I am back with part 2 of my Halloween decor haul. Listen, I didn't know if I was gonna do a part 2, and then Michael's had that 40% off sale that always gets me acting up, and I just completely blacked out in the store and I ended up with a table full of decor. A lot of it is orange because I realized while I was decorating my house that I'm really loving the way the orange looks with the black and white, and I had a lot of spots throughout the house that needed just a little bit more oomph, you know? In case you missed part 1, it was great. I will link it in the description box for you as well as in the top right hand corner of this screen. Okay, let's get into it. Last year, Target had these really cute black branchy spooky trees and I still use them as decor in my office. I don't know how I missed these ones at Michael's the last time I went, but I did. I just happened to luck out and see them this time. There were only 2 left. I really wish I could have grabbed another 2 because like I said, I love having these around the house. They're glittery and beautiful. They're a lot thicker than the ones that I have from Target last year, and I don't know if you can see that they have little bats in them. Great touch because I'm really feeling bats this year and I'm just happy that I at least got 2 of them. You may notice throughout this haul that I tend to purchase things in pairs for some reason. I just imagine myself decorating a mantle and needing 2 of everything just in case. Had my eye on these Venus flytraps for a while. They also came in a larger version. I think what I'm gonna do with these is tuck them in with my natural plants in my living room. I think it'll look really cute seeing them poke out. They don't look as good as the ones from Target, but at 40% off, I didn't feel too bad grabbing them. I think this might be one of my favorite items in this haul. It's this haunted house. I also had my eye on this for a while. It's gray and beautiful with pops of orange. It has a lot of detail, which I like. The pumpkins in the front, this little black cat, there's some bones, a ghost, a bat, another ghost. It's just super cute and I know exactly where I'm gonna put it. In general, I find that shopping at Michael's is a lot more attractive when items are 40% off. Onto just like a shit ton of orange stuff. I don't even know who I am anymore. Usually I stick to black and white, but this year I'm just really feeling orange. So I picked up this pillow. Again, one of those items that I had my eye on, but I was uncertain about, and then I saw it at 40% off and I was like, you're coming home with me. It's just this cute little vintage pumpkin. I also had a pillow with that black cat that I was kind of digging in my last haul, but they were sold out at the location that I went to, so I just picked up the pumpkin. I feel like it'll be a great way to break up the black and white on my couch. I'm switching over all of my pillowcases to black and white, and I feel like just a little pop of orange will look really nice. I got 2 of these super cute glass jack-o'-lantern candle holders. I know exactly what I'm gonna do with these. Again, had to get 2 of them because that is how my brain works. I have these 3 white little shelves in my living room that really need to be filled up and I didn't have enough decor for them, so these items are gonna look just perfect on those shelves. Just a couple of these little vintage characters. We've got a little pumpkin with a top hat, that old school cat with a little party hat. They are so cute and just perfect little space fillers. I also got this cute little white ghost on a black pumpkin. I wish I could have found him a friend, but unfortunately he was the last one. He's also gonna live on those white shelves. Got another stack of pumpkins. These ones are made of plastic. They're just hollow. I wanted 2 of these, but unfortunately I was only able to find one. I think this was the last one at the location that I was at, and I've checked online. They're gone. I'm just happy that I was at least able to find one of them. I'm stoked that I was able to get 2 of these black cats though. I like buying things in pairs because I imagine down the road we're gonna have a bigger place and I'm gonna have more space to fill up, so it's always nice to just have 2 of everything. These are also made of plastic. They're hollow. Same little vintage pumpkins on the bottom. I just think they're like everything else. Adorable. My favorite word. Michael's always has the cutest ceramic jars around spooky season. Last year they had one that was black and white stripe with a little pumpkin on top. I actually purchased one of those and it's living behind me on those shelves. This year they had this black cat and another one that had a little ghost on top. I haven't decided where I want to put this yet. It'll likely live in my kitchen though. Speaking of my kitchen, I didn't end up getting any more cupcake liners because I went through my collection and I have more than enough, but I did get some cupcake toppers. I haven't decided if I want to do a colored frosting this year or if I just want to make a white frosting. I think I'm gonna just do a white frosting, which is why I grabbed these cupcake toppers. This pack has little cats, little witch hats, and little pumpkins. And this one just has trick-or-treat spiders and spider webs. So there's that. I also grabbed this decorative banner from the party section. It just says Happy Halloween. And I think I'm gonna hang this in the living room below this white shelf that I'm gonna deck out. I grabbed a pack of these cute little Halloween ornaments because I think I'm going to use them at Christmas time for my Nightmare Before Christmas tree, which by the way, I don't think I showed you last year. So I will definitely include that in this year's holiday vlogs. We recently zhuzhed up our entryway. It looks really awesome. So I had some plans for it for spooky season. It just needs a few finishing touches. Anyway, I found this sign that I think will look really great at the entryway. It just says, "Welcome, my pretties." It's made of wood and it has a cute little broom on top. Lastly, what is a haul without a couple items from Amazon, right? Found the Skull Sippy Cup Set, which I predict I will be using year round. You can get these on Amazon in sets of 2 or sets of 4. They're just glass with a black lid and a black and white straw. I can never have enough skull stuff around the house, honestly. I got a big old bag of witch hats from Amazon. This is a pack of 8. I'm going to hang them from my ceiling. I don't want to give too much away. I want to save it for the vlog, but I've been seeing this trend all over Pinterest and it looks so cute. So stay tuned for that. And I think that completes this haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm pretty much gonna get off camera right now and go finish decorating and get ready for my vlog. So as always, I'm gonna try to list as much as I can in the description box below. A lot of this stuff is seasonal, so it's hard to do that. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and staying subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, love you, bye. Hello, it is I from the future editing this haul. I realize the haul's really short, so what I'm gonna do is throw in a couple vlog clips to hold you off until I post my spooky vlog later on. God only knows when that's gonna be done editing, but I just wanted to show you how I organized my coffee rack and a little DIY that I did for my coffee station, which turned out super cute, so I hope you enjoy.